opportunity. You my bed now. What the bay Adrian and my no.
And young Kuruma.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah. Oh.
Fish.
Yeah.
And that Jimmy.
Yeah. Alright. So guys, she also have a willy, so you willy or Kawuro cow skin and now palm oil and now dry herrings and shrimps and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients you'll be needing for the cooking. And then they have the power. Oma opportunity then they never started.
Say about chichina mono kakra.
Okay. All right.
Try Jenny.
I'm trying to make it on.
Man, yes,
okay. Or switch you
think.
Aha. Oma opportunity so of this what we this is now. So guys, we are now cooking our chimoka crab. We cooking for just steaming.
Sugar crab.
Okay. But amount way. You need go in. Okay. Okay. Oh, but
why are they?
Good. So grandma is teaching the girls how to cook real okro stew. It's another some kitwa. Aye. For sure to our home, so I said it.
You see, if you can kurumano.
Okay.
You na
all right.
And I saying bank
all right. Oh my God, you switch up and board say second be chop.
Pacho, second I
experience no more. It's not only the message I should try me. In cry. In Kumas and Kumay, I did.
Yeah, they know.
I said, and I did. I bet the fire.
Yeah, make you chat.
Okay,
make you chat.
Guys, Oma has to sit on it. She doesn't have the strength to stand. You know what's nasty. Make you chat. One techniques now you should not try the one so now better oh shampoo.
Okay.
Yeah, so chucha.
Naya. Blending mercury any monk.
Oh yeah.
Who said insure
all right, Matty. So guys, let's check. Oh, it's doing really good. We saw but you saw why you all right.
And then madame my number. You told you make a crab.
Oh, right. So she go ahead and stress some onions on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And so much of her saying, and then fuck a crank.
Yes.
All right. So we are missing, she's missing the banku. Yeah. So this is a combination of cassava dough and corn dough. So As one Kusama.
Aya. Belum why?
So guys, grandma is teaching the girls how to make authentic Voltarian okra stew with banku. So guys, she's the mother of my husband. Oh, grandmother Marcy. She's my mother-in-law. I saw Achotwaso.
You say me no uncle man.
My grandma pacho, oh boy, no man or dear Jan, one for tomatoes. I don't know from tomatoes in your crew, man.
Interesting, no? Good guma. A manette.
Wow.
And yet true.
And yet true. In such a same kuma for a dear, yes, or day.
First is Mammy Sonica. First, and I'm to Lento Sirona, and you can first we are to trust a goon. Now you come. It's a woody yep.
Wow. I asked her why she did not add any okra, tomatoes to the okra stew, and she said before she used to add it, the okra was okay, but these days the okra in the market, when you add tomatoes to it, the slaminess goes away. You don't see the slaminess. Now, what is okra stew without slimy? I am not sure. That is a new kurma for you. We need that slaminess in our okra stew. But if you are somewhere that have normal okra, that even when you add tomatoes, you still have your slaminess, you can just go ahead and add the tomatoes to your stew. Hey, good nana. Wabre. We go to the okra, and also wabre. So she's going ahead to add her fermented fish. That is the momone. What is okra stew without momone? So that is our blended pepper and shrimps, dry shrimps, guys. That is the secret ingredient for this recipe. So she did not add any stock cube. She blended the shrimps, the dry shrimps with the pepper, and she's adding. So the taste and the flavor is really, really amazing. It's just like adding natural. Our stew is doing perfect, guys. Just say, and now grow.
the money good.
That is a good for the anti-crowd. Papa, yes. I shall remember. Yes, thank you. God, that was the stock from the fish she cooked. And yeah, dear good one. So salt is always to your taste. She's going to add some salt.
That is I mean,
Master saw the other. I trace an inch now. I am
say I pepper.
Guys, our okro stew is ready. Some more, it looks so delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. So I'll go ahead and put off the heat, guys. Guys, my mother-in-law okro stew, look at this. It's ready. So I will dig in and serve, guys. Look at this, guys. It looks so yummy, guys. Guys, our stew is ready. Auntie, thank you so much, guys, also for coming with us to make this delicious hot meal. But for now to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Thank you, thank you. Kiss, kiss. Oma, Ediani, Ed the papa. Ed the pa. Ed the My husband is eating a pele. He doesn't like banku. So this is a wapale. Collect. Media authentic.